On the last day of campaigning, candidates are making last-ditch efforts to woo voters in the first phase of the assembly elections, be it in Haryana or in Jammu Kashmir. In Pulwama, for instance, a PDP candidate who's out on bail in a terror-related case under UAPA is facing the heat from the Jamaat-backed candidate, an organization banned under the UAPA. There's another UAPA-accused independent candidate in the fray from Pulwama. The PDP, however, says that the main contest is with the National Conference and independents are just there to fragment the vote. Listen in.
Well, last-ditch efforts by political parties to woo voters as the campaigning for first phase of assembly election in Jammu and Kashmir assembly is ending today. Here in Pulwama, I am joined by Wahidur Rahman Para. Wahid ji, आप बताएं कि आखिरी दिन है.
जी. I think
must be not be the easy one.
I think this has been very hectic elections compared to the traditional elections we have in Jammu and Kashmir because things have changed a lot in Jammu and Kashmir. People's participation has increased hugely, which also makes you that you will have to go to door and reach out to everyone.
Also, there's alliance between between Engineer Rashid's AIP and the Jamaat Islami. Does that somehow tilt the balance?
As of now, we have not seen because the alliance just shaped yesterday, and there's only one day left, so it's too late for any alignment now.
And you are the one, Wahid, who was booked under UAPA, under anti-terror law, and then released on bail. Now you have the candidates who are also from the banned organization under the UAPA. Isn't it somehow UAPA versus UAPA? UAPA has become the central. At least there are three candidates. One is from the UAPA, banned UAPA organization, Jamaat. Then you have a UAPA independent candidate who is accused under UAPA. And also you who is out on bail.
Yeah, I think that's...
Isn't this interesting, most interesting?
It's the most interesting elections here that there are people who are booked, who are jailed, are fighting elections and also contesting against me. But what is important is that we also see people putting a lot of faith despite jails, cases, terror charges. They put a lot of faith in this process and make this process more inclusive, vibrant. So we are happy that there's a tough competition and there's a lot of involvement of people of all sections of society. What is important for us?
Who do you see your main contender, National Conference or someone else?
I think mostly in South Kashmir, it's competition remains between PDP and National Conference. And also we are more on the UAPA part, I like to say that we want the ban on Jamaat to be lifted.
Okay.
So that Jamaat fights as Jamaat Islami.
Okay.
So there's more clarity that who's a candidate, who's not a candidate.
Okay.
And this ambiguity also ends.